I will explain about unit ramp signal generation. Here you can see this R of t is equal t greater than or equal to 0. If t equal to 1, amplitude is 1. If t equal to 2, amplitude is 2. If t equal to 3, amplitude is 3. Like this. So this is the ramp signal for R of t. For t less than or equal to 0, it is 0. If it is discrete signal, you can see this R of n is equal to 0. R of n equal to n for n greater than or equal to 0. N values depends on the amplitude. At 1, what is the amplitude? At 2, what is the impulse? What is n equal to 3? What is like this? This is the ramp signal generation. So we need to, I will explain the code for this. We can see this. So this is the unit ramp signal code. You can see this here, unit ramp signal. As you know that we need to write the same code for this. This is one time is enough. CLC clear all and close all is not required 2 times here. Anyhow, so one time is enough. These are the 3 general instructions. Close all figures and windows. Close all means. And generation of ramp signal, you can see this. No need for this. And t equal to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 0 to 1, we need to take the ramp signal. And that signal is y7 equal to t. So means here this is the ramp signal I am assuming. And here figure subplot of 1 comma 2 comma means that is 1 row 2 columns out of that first diagram. As you know that what is that first diagram? Plot t comma y7 is the first signal, and x label should be time and y label is amplitude, and ramp title should be ramp signal. This is the first sequence, and then generation of ramp sequence for discrete. This is 2 comma 2 comma 2, or else you can assume that 1 comma 2 comma 2, 1 row and 2 rows and 2 columns. 1 row and 2 columns, and second diagram stem t comma t, and x label should be samples, y label should be amplitude, and title is ramp sequence. Title is ramp sequence. Like this we can generate. For this we need to open the MATLAB. The same code this is the code for that, and I am open MATLAB. After open the MATLAB will get like this, and after this Windows will get. So and if any, so new program I am taking here, whatever the same code I am writing here, the ramp signal. So after this we need to save it. Go for save option and click on that, and ramp.m I have saved in my folder. You can save it anywhere. So after this, top side there is a run option is there. Run option, you can check this. Run option is there top side here. So click on that run option, will generate the ramp signal. Click on the run option. Click on the run option. So after click on run option, so like this we can generate the ramp signal easily. So using MATLAB. This is the ramp signal for both the cases, and thank you.